Hey, what's up, guys? This is from my friend Andy. He's been wondering how to upload pivot animations onto YouTube, and I've seen a lot of comments on asking that, so here's a tutorial. First, you gotta make a pivot. Here's one really bad one I just made right now. It's actually just a test on one of those like Dragon Ball Z high speed battles. So yeah. Now, to put it on to Windows Movie Maker, you need Windows Movie Maker. If you don't have it, you gotta go find it, go search it up on Google or something to download it. It's free, yeah. So, you go to save animation. You can save it wherever you want, but you have to save it as GIF. The save as type is GIF, GIF. Now you gotta save it. You could name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it IDK for now. You just save it. It's okay. Just gonna X that. Now you gotta import pictures, because GIF is actually just a bunch of pictures to make an animation. So you put it down here. I'm not sure if you might be able to see this picture right here, see me play it, but because Camtasia Studio doesn't do that. So, well, if you want sounds, I'll just you just go to findsounds.com. Findsounds.com. Then you could search whatever. You could search punch, and then you could go down here, click it to see, like, to listen to it. I don't know if you heard that because Camtasia Studio doesn't record that either. But yeah, if it's good, you right click the link, then you press save target as, save it wherever you want. I'll save it on desktop right now. Doesn't matter where you save it. So go to your video, import audio or music, then find your sound effect, then put it exactly where you want it to be. Okay, it's perfect for me right now. You might not be able to hear it. So now to save it and put it on YouTube, just don't just save it as project. You have to go to save to my computer, then save it whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. Press this because pivot does not pivot. Just press this. You probably might not be able to change it. Press next. The longer the video is, the longer this will take. Since it's only 4 seconds long, it'll only take like 2 seconds. Okay, I don't know if you could see this, but I'll play it. Okay, so it's good for me right now, so I'll just go on YouTube. Then I'm sure you guys know how to upload it to YouTube, but here, I'll show you how, if you don't know how. Sorry, I'm watching Sky High while making this video. Press upload video. Find where you saved it. Well, when you press save to my computer, it automatically saves it to your documents and your folder for my videos. Find it. Here it is. Then there. Hope that helped. Yeah. See ya. Peace.